Alex Ayala is into the next round of the 2025 Hong Kong Open, through not in the way she would have hoped. The Filipino tennis star advances to the second round of the WTA 250 tournament in Hong Kong, China, after opponent Katie Boulter of Great Britain retired in the second set on Tuesday, October 28, 2025, in the first round. Ayala progresses with a 6-4, 2-1 retired scoreline. An enticing round of 16 tie lies in store as world number 51 Ayala meets rising Canadian star and world number 21 Victoria Mboko at Victoria Park Center Court in the second round. Ayala, who is at a career high on the verge of WTA Top 50, prevailed in 69 minutes after coming through a tight opening set against world number 79 Boulter. Having exchanged breaks midway through the set, the 20-year-old denied Boulter two opportunities to hold her serve in the 10th game, eventually converting her second set point. The pair once again broke each other to begin the second set, but all of a sudden Boulter, who had heavy strapping on her thigh, began to slow down and lose accuracy, coupled with Ayala's solid percentage to second serve points, won 63%. She took control, held to love before the second changeover. By the point, Boulter called the medic to receive treatment, having to concede the match with injured and send Ayala to the WTA 250 tournament round of 16. So Alex Ayala will face Victoria Mboko in the round 16 of WTA 250 Hong Kong Open 2025.